Before I begin the video, I will remind you to please click like if you like my content, and subscribe to our channel, tell a friend, and more importantly, go to our website and send us your email address to become a VIP, that we can send you announcements and VIP benefits that we'll think of as we go along. So thank you very much, and let's go on. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about watering, and watering is pretty obvious. You water your bonsai every day and keep it moist. But the problem is that bonsai pot is very shallow and they dry out. So then what do? And by thinking through this, I actually learned a lot about watering, not only bonsai, but about houseplants, about gardening, about succulents for that matter, and for that matter, orchids. And so it really helped me, the truism that give to get, I give you knowledge, and in the process to think about it, I get to know more by developing more of an intuition about what I tell you. And so basically the problem with bonsai is it's a very shallow pot. And so what happens is that you water every day and it's wonderful, everything's happy, everybody's happy. And then one hot afternoon, the root ball dries out. You say, oh, I need to water it. You water it, but the root ball already shrank. Water runs out of the side of the pot, goes through the bottom hole. The tree really doesn't get water. So after a week of that, the tree dies, and you say, oh, I don't know, I don't understand why the tree died on me. I water every day, but that's the reason. So what we point out is that you have to touch the soil to make sure it's supple, or to see the water doesn't run out of the pot right away. And then if it does, then you have to soak it. Get a tub, soak it, let's say this much, ½ inch above the bottom of the pot. So water gets sucked up by the root ball, and then gets hydrated, and then it would henceforth would be, you can keep your bonsai watered. But that's also a chore. That also looks ugly, make your bonsai. So what we did at Bonsaiheirloom is we invented a pot with very simple idea. We inverted the pot by elevating the drainage hole so that there's about a ½ inch to a ½ inch to a ½ inch worth of water sitting in the pot to give time for the root ball to absorb the water to hydrate. And then the air comes in to replenish the water to give the roots the air to stay healthy. So with that in mind then, I just want to tell you, a simple rule is to maintain your bonsai forever to become your heirloom is to water your bonsai every day, soak it if the root ball is hardened and shrank, and then fertilizer occasionally, half concentration of houseplant water would do. And that generalization actually can apply to your houseplant and orchids as well. So for example, when you have your houseplant, you water excess, let it sit in a little bit of water when you water it, and then let it dry out. You water it, do it again a week later, so the entire root ball never dries out, and you will find your houseplant just zoom up, thrive. And the same thing with the orchids. If your bark or the moss dries out, soak it, fill it with water, and then dump out the water an hour from now, and once a week, and I think you will find your orchid growing like crazy as well. So I hope you join us in your bonsai journey. So thank you very much. I hope to see you next week. Well, thank you very much for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel and tell a friend. And most importantly, go to our website and sign up to become our VIP so that we can send you announcements of special considerations. Thank you very much. See you next week.